Don't need a change of fortune, no change of scenery. I don't need a one-way ticket out of here. While waiting my turn, the tables turned on me, and it's all turned out so clear. I wanna flash my style every once in a while, but for now that's down the road. I just need some sanctuary, some time on my side, a temporary place I can hide till I find my strength, till I gain my stride. Someone to hold me, just to hold me over. Don't need a new direction, no new point of view. I don't need to be reborn to see the light. No resurrection, no new attitude. I just need to see things right. What I once thought were treasures, they're just weights and measures, and of those I've had my fill. I just need some sanctuary, some time on my side, a temporary place I can hide till I find my strength, till I gain my stride. Someone to hold me, just to hold me over. Don't need a revelation, no word to the wise. I don't need a gypsy woman reading my palm. No explanation, no friendly advice. It's the storm before the calm. And when peace finally finds me, I'm gonna leave what's behind me. I'm gonna rise up like the sun. For now, some sanctuary, some time on my side, a temporary place I can hide till I find my strength, till I gain my stride. Someone to hold me, just to hold me over. Someone to hold me, just to hold me over.